Chapter 16. National Parks and Sanctuaries. Get set. Identify the extinct and endangered animals from the following animals. Wildlife is really a valuable gift of nature because animals maintain balance with nature. Wildlife relates to all those plants, animals, and organisms that cannot be domesticated. Forests are home of some animals. About 1/5 of the total land is covered with forests. Forests are a rich storehouse of wildlife, but it can also be found in deserts, plains, marshy areas, mountains, etc. Wildlife of one region differs from the wildlife of another region. Our wildlife is facing the great danger of extinction. There are many areas in the world where wildlife is not protected. The trees are being cut down and forests are being reduced. Hunting of animals for the skin, tusks, and fur also threaten them. Moreover, there is not much forest cover left. When wildlife is not protected in some areas, the environment gets disturbed and polluted. The food chain breaks or disrupts. Many species of plants, birds, and animals become extinct, and many species become endangered. Did you know? Dinosaurs are extinct animals. They vary greatly in size and shape. The largest dinosaurs are 24 meters long. They lived on Earth 65 million years ago. Extinct animals. There are certain animal species that do not exist anymore on the Earth. Such animals are called extinct animals. Animals become extinct due to natural or man-made reasons. Sometimes, there are severe changes in the climate. Some animals are capable of adapting themselves to these changes, but some animals cannot and become extinct. Nowadays, human activities are more responsible for the extinction of animals. Man has been cutting the trees on a large scale. It leads to the loss of habitat of animals. Some animals shift to other habitats and start living there. Some animals fail to adapt to the conditions of other habitats and become extinct. Dinosaurs become extinct due to natural reasons. Quagga, passenger pigeon, dodo, etc. became extinct due to man-made reasons. Endangered animals. Some animals are on the verge of extinction. They are called the endangered animals. The reason for the endangerment of animals are same as discussed above for the extinction of animals. Nowadays, deforestation and pollution are some of the important reasons for the endangerment of animals. Major endangered animals of today are California condor, Siberian tiger, salmon fish, sea otter, etc. Did you know? The snow leopard is found only in the forests of the Himalayas and its surrounding regions. Sometimes it is spotted at the height of above 6,000 meters. It is an endangered species. Hunting and poaching. Hunting and poaching are serious threats to the wild animals. In both these activities, man kills the wild animals indiscriminately and illegally. Hunting refers to the sport of man that involves killing of wild animals. Poaching refers to killing of animals for economic benefits like tusks of elephants, hides of animals, etc. The motive of both activities is different, but the result is the same. Both hunting and poaching are banned in most countries, including India. Many national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves have been established to protect the wildlife. Did you know? Elephants are killed on a large scale for their ivory tusks. More than 120 countries have banned the trade of ivory to save the elephants. National parks. National parks are small covered areas in forests or near rivers or lakes. Hunting of animals in these areas is not allowed. The area is pollution-free and it encourages tourism. Rich wildlife keeps the environment clean. The food chain is not disturbed. So, they are called protected areas. In India, there are more than 80 national parks or zoological parks. Various species of animals are protected here. Some national parks in India are Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Mumbai, Maharashtra; Bandipur National Park, Mysore, Karnataka; Khamdane-Zonga National Park, Gangtok, Sikkim; Rajiv Gandhi National Park, Coorg, Karnataka; Pench National Park, Nagpur, Maharashtra; Rohla National Park, Kulu, Himachal Pradesh; Madhav Shivpuri National Park, Shivpuri, Madhya Pradesh; Sundarban Tiger Reserve, 24 Pargana, West Bengal; Tadoba National Park, Chandrapur, Maharashtra; Velavdar National Park, Bhavnagar, Gujarat. Each national park is specific for specific animals. They are meant for protection of different animals. For example, Kanha National Park, Madhya Pradesh, provides protection to tigers and panthers. Gir National Park, Gujarat, provides protection to lions and panthers. Kaziranga National Park, Assam, provides protection to rhinos and elephants. Dudhwa National Park, Uttar Pradesh, provides protection to tigers and panthers. Sanctuaries. There are about 449 sanctuaries in our country. Sanctuaries are also meant for protection to animals and birds. Different sanctuaries provide protection to different birds and animals. Some of major sanctuaries of India are Achanakmar Wildlife Sanctuary, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh; Bhimbandh Wildlife Sanctuary, Bilaspur, Bihar; Kotiago Game Sanctuary, Goa, Goa; Chandraprabha Sanctuary, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh; Darraha Wildlife Sanctuary, Kota, Rajasthan; Dandeli Sanctuary, Dharwar, Karnataka; Dachigam Sanctuary, Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir; Gandhi Sagar Sanctuary, Mandsaur, Rajasthan; Hazari Bagh Sanctuary, Hazaribagh, Jharkhand; Intanki Sanctuary, Kohima, Nagaland; Murumlai Sanctuary, Nilgiris, Tamil Nadu; Manas Sanctuary, Barpeta, Assam; Mukambika Sanctuary, Palghat, Maharashtra; Periyar Sanctuary, Idukki, Kerala; Sariska Sanctuary, Alwar, Rajasthan; Simplipal Sanctuary, Mayurbhanj, Odisha; Tungabhadra Sanctuary, Bellary, Karnataka; Venad Sanctuary, Kannanur, Kozhikode, Kerala; Parama Bikulum Sanctuary, Palghat, Maharashtra. Ghana Bird Sanctuary provides protection to Siberian crane. Dachigam Sanctuary provides protection to leopard and musk deer. Biosphere Reserve. There are very large and multipurpose areas that provide protection to plants and animals. They are open like forests, mountains or wastelands. They also provide facilities of education and training and awareness to people to protect plants and animals. They are started under the direction of United Nations. There are 18 biosphere reserves in India. Some of them are Great Nicobar, Gulf of Mannar, Nanda Devi, Nilgiri, Simplipal, Sundarban and Manas. Importance of national parks and sanctuaries. Nowadays, people are educated to preserve the wildlife. National parks and sanctuaries are very important for birds and animals. They provide protection to them and maintain balance in nature. They can protect those animals who become extinct due to natural and man-made reason. They add beauty to our land. They are precious gifts of nature. So, it is our duty to save them. Summary. Wildlife includes all those plants, animals and other organisms that have not been domesticated. Animal species that do not exist anymore are called extinct animals. Animals that are at the verge of extinction are called endangered animals. Nowadays, deforestation and pollution are important reasons for the endangerment of animals. Hunting and poaching are serious threats to animals. Hunting refers to killing of animals for fun. Poaching refers to killing of animals for economic gain. There are more than 80 national parks, 449 sanctuaries in India. There are 18 biosphere reserves in our country. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. Animals that do not exist anymore on the earth. A. Domestic. B. Endangered. C. Extinct. 2. Killing of animals for economic benefits. A. Fighting. B. Hunting. C. Poaching. 3. Animals that are at the verge of extinction. A. Domestic. B. Endangered. C. Extinct. 4. Killing of animals as a fun is called. A. Killing. B. Hunting. C. Poaching. 5. There are biosphere reserve in India. A. 27. B. 18. C. 10. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. Elephants are killed for. 2. There are about national parks in our country. 3. Hunting and are banned in most countries. 4. There are biosphere reserves in India. 5. Forests are the home of. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong one. 1. Dinosaurs have become extinct due to human actions. 2. Forests are a rich storehouse of wildlife. 3. Wildlife includes all undomesticated plants and animals. 4. The food chain is disrupted where wildlife is not protected. 5. The dodos exist nowadays in the Himalayas. D. Match the following. 1. Gir National Park. 2. Manas Sanctuary. 3. Dandeli Sanctuary. 4. Kotiago Game Sanctuary. 5. Navagaon National Park. E. Answer the following questions. 1. Write the meaning of wildlife. 2. What are major threats to wildlife nowadays? 3. What are extinct and endangered animals? 4. Write the importance of national parks and sanctuaries. 5. What are biosphere reserves? Activity. 1. Hunt for 10 animals in the word maze below. Use the picture clues given below. 1 is done for you. To collect pictures of animals and birds from old books, newspapers, magazines, etc., and paste them in a scrapbook to make your own animal album. 3. Visit a zoo and collect information about the eating habits of animals such as bear, chimpanzee, deer, and birds.